Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about pin generator, how you could go ahead and use it and what is it. To get started, click on the first link in the description and you will be redirected to the official pin generator website. Now if we go ahead and navigate through this website, we can then go ahead and see that Pin Generator is a simple yet powerful software designed to save you time and help you grow faster on Pinterest. While it may seem a bit complicated at first, it's a great alternative to those who don't want to invest in Tailwind, which is basically a paid version of Pin Generator. Once inside, you can then go ahead and insert any website URL. Right after that, you now have to go ahead and click on generate. Wait for a few seconds and this window will show up. Now I've entered this URL right here, and just below that you can then go ahead and input how many pin you want to generate. In my case, I have generated 12 pins right here, but basically you can just go ahead and modify this the way you want to. Right after adjusting it, you can just go ahead and click on generate pins. Now if you don't want any of these templates right here, you can just go ahead and navigate through the templates button, and once inside, we can now go ahead and click on one of the templates that's available on their website. But basically inside, you can go ahead and click on shuffle if you want to shuffle this templates right here. And just below that, we then have the customization for all of these pins right here. You have the colors and fonts, you have the template, brand settings, images used in the pins, detected images, stock images, videos, and more. You can also go ahead and use their AI feature, which is the rewrite all titles, rewrite all description, and more. But basically, once inside, we can now go ahead and use all of this to go ahead and use it for our Pinterest. If you want to edit this pins right here, you can just go ahead and click on the pencil icon. And right after clicking on the pencil icon, you can now go ahead and edit out the pin title, the pin description. You can even add an image alternative text. You have the pin outbound link URL. And lastly, you have the pin URL for the pin image. If you want to select one of the templates right here, you can just go ahead and click on select templates, and once inside, we can then go ahead and see all of the templates that's available on the website. Once again, if you don't like any one of these templates, you can just go ahead and create your template by clicking on the add new template. Now once inside, you can now go ahead and select your customizable design template size. You have your Pinterest pin, which is 1000 by 1500 pixels. You also have Pinterest square pin, which is 1000 by 1000. Basically, you can just go ahead and choose your preferred size right here. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on the Pinterest square pin. Right after, it will now go ahead and take us to the template builder for the pin generator. From here, you can then go ahead and add your elements. For example, you have rectangle, you have your text, image, video, SVG, or you can even import Canva designs. From here, we then have our zoom controls, and just below that, you can then go ahead and adjust the element layer for each of the elements that we have on our template. So guys, you can just go ahead and make this the way you want to. And so guys, if you're really interested in growing your Pinterest, you can just head over to the pricing section right here, and I have a great deal for you. You can head over to AppSumo, and I will be leaving this link on the description box below, so you can go ahead and get amazing deals for something like pin generator. So guys, that is everything for our pin generator. You can just go ahead and check the link in the description box below to go ahead and open up the pin generator. So everyone, thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, thank you.